Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Mysore location. This information collected purely from newspapers. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss in detail. Attention please. Do not pay money for any kind of job. Please be aware of fraudsters and fraud. Firstly, there is a job openings for Advait Hyundai. They are looking for various positions like team leader and sales consultants. For team leader position, minimum 3 years of experience is required in automobile industry, and sales consultant, both freshers and experienced professionals both are eligible. You can directly contact on the given phone number, or you can share your resume at the provided email ID, and there is a career website available here. You can check with them more. For the more details, you can browse the provided website address, and they have vacancies in various locations like Mysore, Mandya, Hassan, Kushalnagar, Madkeri and Gonikoppal. For all these locations, they have vacancies. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9620026784, and email ID is careers@advaithgroup.com. Next, there is a job openings for store managers for Go for Nuts outlet. They are looking for only female candidates, and they have 3 vacancies. You can contact on the given WhatsApp number for more information. Contact number is 9886485588. And if you see, there is a and should have experience and should have knowledge of Tally software as well. You can check with the given WhatsApp number for more information. You can share your resume as well on the given WhatsApp number. Next, there is a job openings for marketing executive for a reputed firm located at Hebbal industrial area. Only male candidates are eligible for this job role. Minimum qualification is any degree or diploma, and they are also looking for delivery boys like delivery executives. Two vacancies available, and they are also looking for ITI fitter position. Pass or fail candidates both are eligible. Minimum 1 to 2 years of experience is required for ITI fitter. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9972029007. Next, there is a job vacancies for ITI fitters and electricians. There is 10 vacancies available, and receptionist position 2 vacancies available. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 12,000 respectively. Like for ITI fitters and electricians, up to 10,000 salary will be offered. For receptionist position, up to 12,000 salary is offered. And they are also looking for telecaller positions. 4 vacancies available. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 74837 Next, there is a job openings for accountant and accounts assistant positions. Minimum qualification is MCOM or BCom graduates. Minimum experience is required. Minimum 3 to 5 years of experience. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, and you can also contact on the given phone number for more information. Email ID is hr@jirsm.com, and contact number is 9343299998. Next, there is a job openings for diagnostic center, Mysore Diagnostic Center Private Limited. This is the organization name. They are looking for staff nurses, freshers and experienced candidates both are eligible, and ANM qualification is also eligible. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9243781908. Next, there is a job openings for Vivekananda Shikshana Samsthe, Banur, and they are looking for lecturer and teacher positions for MCOM and business studies, accountancy, BSc, BEd, PCM and CBZ. For all this like for all the subjects they have vacancies, and they are also looking for warden and driver positions. Hostel facilities available from 5th standard to PUC. This is given for the students purpose, like who wants to join the organization. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information. You can directly go attend the interview. Contact numbers are 96320 38206 and 93413 88404 and 7899094569. Next, there is a job openings for counselor positions and receptionist. Only female candidates are eligible. Age limit is up to 28 years. This is for a recruitment for a reputed educational institution. You can share your resume and photo to the provided WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number is 82969 Next, there is a job openings for a reputed company for the positions kitchen staff and store manager, driver positions, helpers, and delivery executive. You can contact on the given phone number. For more information, contact number is 84312 Next, there is a job openings for the Pramart. They are looking for various positions like marketing executives, counter sales executives, packing. For packing position, computer knowledge is mandatory, and they are also looking for office executives. Both male and female candidates with experience are also eligible. You can directly walk in to the provided address between 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. For more information, you can contact on the given address. You can directly walk in. Next, there is a job openings for Texture Power Solutions Private Limited. They are looking for assembly, wiring, PCB assembly, marketing and sales executive. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information, and there is also official email IDs available. For these positions, minimum 2 to 3 years of industrial experience is required, and minimum qualification is diploma in electrical and electronics and ITI. Salary package is based in the industry is offered. The email IDs are gopi@techscer.com and one more email ID mysore@techscer.com, and contact numbers are 23449990, 2544 and 9448990403. And there is official address details of the organization available. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for teachers for English medium for the subjects BSc BEd and for PCMB and BA BEd history and English subjects. You can contact on the given phone number between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. For more information, contact number is 99721 Next, there is a job openings for Shisu Children's Hospital. They are looking for staff nurse only for night shift. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Contact numbers are 94481 and 257001 and 29777701. Next, there is a job openings for network admin. There is 2 vacancies available for Ion Digital Zone located at Hebbal Industrial Area, Mysore. Minimum 1 year of experience is mandatory. Minimum qualification is degree or diploma in networking or equivalent. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 98807 Next, there is a job openings for Lakshmi Salon. They are looking for receptionist position. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 81976 Next, there is a job openings for natural salon. They are looking for various positions like female beautician, unisex hairstylist, male hairstylist. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7829318000. Next, there is a job openings for Cave County operations. They are looking for various positions like shift supervisor or manager, South Indian cook, dosa master, North Indian and continental cook, guest relations executive, waiters, housekeeping staff, and kitchen helpers. You can contact on the given phone number for more information, or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. Contact number is 97310 and email ID is cafecountyoperations.gmail.com, that is cavecountyoperations@gmail.com. Next, there is job openings for temporary English teacher for Sri Anjaneya Swami High School located at LU Mandya Taluk. You can contact on the given phone number for more information, and last date is January 17th, 2021. Minimum qualification is experience qualified with TET and should have a BA BEd with TET, and major is English. You can contact on the given phone numbers. Contact numbers are 94480 and 99806 Next, there is a job openings for Viva Body and Soul. They are looking for gym instructor and coach Working hours will be 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. And also they are looking for front desk manager. There is one vacancy available. Working hours will be 5:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. and 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. You can contact on the given phone number between 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. The contact number is 96328 70333. Next, there is a job openings for teacher positions for trainee graduate teachers, only English medium. For the subjects English, Social, two vacancies available. For Hindi subject, only one vacancy available. Other subject teachers also eligible to apply. You can directly walk into the given address with your resume, or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. There is a contact number available. You can contact for more information. Email ID is jgcenglishschol@gmail.com. That is jgcenglishschool@gmail.com, and contact number is 91139 and there is address details available. You can check with that. Jnana Gangotri Convent, this is the organization name. You can check with the given phone number for more information. Next, there is a job openings for reputed furnishing showroom for positions marketing executive and sales staff. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role sales executive staff. For marketing executive, only male candidate is eligible. Should have a two-wheeler as well. Contact number is 96328 78777. Next, there is a job openings for primary high school teachers and coordinators as well for a wisdom school located at Nanjangud. Minimum qualification BSc, MSc, BEd or MEd or BE candidates also can apply. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can also contact on the given phone number for more information. Email ID is info.sschooling@gmail.com and contact number is 7676110063. Next, there is a job openings for Harishankar BS and Associates. They are looking for various positions. For the qualifications, Bachelor of Architecture, Diploma in Architecture, BE Civil, with a knowledge of AutoCAD and SketchUp. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 94480 Next, there is a job openings for Sharada Jewelers. They are looking for sales executive positions. Only female candidates are eligible for the job role. Minimum qualification, graduation, and should have a knowledge of computer. And you can directly walk into the given address with a handwritten biodata. You can check with the address details provided here for more information. Next, there is a job openings for electrician for a company located in Mysore. Minimum 2 years of experience is required. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 6363409187. That's it in this video, guys. I will be coming up with more updated job openings for Mysore location as soon as possible. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos. Please like our videos and share our videos with your friends and family members who are in need of job. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Have a great day.